Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the Euro Yen, I'm still looking at this as a possible wave B, even though it did go up and take out the previous highs. Wave Bs can go to the 105%. They can also go to the 123 and 138% sometimes also. So we cannot assume that this needs to end here. What's going to prove to me that this wave B is over is a breaker structure to the downside, which currently is right here. Even if it does start to move to the downside, we don't know that that's a reversal until it breaks structure. It could end up just making a higher low and pushing up to one of the higher Fibonacci levels. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we would have to continue to be bullish for the most part. Now, if it breaks this low right here, then that would be a breaker structure on the 1 hour. But the only thing that would prove to me is that the last wave is over. Like I said, on the daily time frame, the only thing that's going to prove to me this way B is complete is a break below here. Otherwise, anything we see to the downside, we still need to assume is nothing more than a pullback within the uptrend. And really, until we even get this breaker structure right here, I would still be pretty bullish because there is a chance it makes another higher low and just keeps on pushing up. Really, it hasn't even hit the 105% yet, so I definitely would still be recommending longs and an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.